Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an iPad with Garageband, a compatible audio interface or Lightning/USB-C adapter, and a guitar with a working cable. Plug the interface into the iPad first, then connect the guitar to the instrument input. This reduces latency and lets Garageband recognize the device. Make sure headphones or monitors are connected to hear direct monitoring. Once done, open Garageband and select an electric guitar patch so the app initializes the input and shows signal level. You now configure the track. Create a guitar or audio recorder track and pick the correct input: mono for single pickups, stereo only if your interface provides it. Turn on input monitoring so you hear your amp models and effects live, and then set gain. Play hard and lower the input until peaks hover around -6 decibels to avoid clipping. Next, choose an amp model and add only essential effects. Finally, adjust Garageband buffer or the interface buffer in settings to balance latency versus stability. You finish by recording. Enable the metronome and count-in if you need timing, then record full takes or use punch-ins for fixes. After tracking, trim regions, add final effects and mix levels. When ready, export via share to save a song file or separate stems for further mixing. If you see no input or hear silence, troubleshoot. Confirm cable integrity, check interface power and sample rate, give Garageband permission to use the microphone, and verify the track input routing. These fixes solve most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.